That's it. First of all, I don't really get time. I talk anything you don't like them, you take her like that. We know they beg. And I yesterday the program they live. And people they send me test any and say I could die. If you go on stage, talk to the president that you are suffering. But I know the kind of presidents when they did, not the person they talk to anyhow. Because get the way you talk anyhow, EFCC will arrest you. So I'm not going to play reach that Buhari side. Because I still get life to live. Forget how they call myself, I go die. I play. The time when I call myself, I go die now 20-something years ago. I don't see small money now. I know they would like answer the name again. I they like call myself, I go hammer. Money is sweet. Buhari not the person you go talk to when you go here. He's a military man. He's not a civilian. Me, I know they fear they show a life. I know they fear you talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let's talk and die. Buhari a military man, not be normal civilian man like Jonathan. Jonathan are just civilian who understand the love of his people. I know they fear. Buhari na somebody when he go army training. He slap war, do frog job. In fact, he was trained to kill people, you know. As army, you are trained to protect people when there is war. So you don't get how. You won't really compare Buhari with Jonathan. During Jonathan, you dey shout. Abacha is the only president who understands Nigeria. Nigeria wants their two shop. Belleful, they make noise. During the time of Abacha, now Abacha stove will take the chop, take the cook. Because once you are hungry, you can't shout. Once you are hungry, you lawyer. You behave yourself. Jonathan come, he just let everything they flow. So people they shout. Because too much money, so they shout. The president is not doing it, the president is not doing it. Friend of speech. Buhari come, he stop all. People they shout. What? You shout too much, they hold you. People just come, they shout. I want to make common sense. I want to make common sense. Buhari not just talk, he draw one of his brokers. You know they get where they go hold the seed. Only you just you know they make common sense again. Buhari, no, forget that guy. Buhari is the only person when he go to America, I never recognize Obama. He walk up past him, he see Obama. Now the 8th, I go tell her, say, Your Excellency, you are making blunder. I say, okay, what blunder? So you just passed the President of America. I say, yo, well, you mean I should greet him? When I was head of state in Nigeria, Barack Obama was in primary 2. And that time I don't say Buhari sharp. But this one here they talk. That day they talk, say Buhari get your problem. Buhari get this. No, you don't get us. Now very sharp guy. You know what they do. Make I leave Buhari matter. Make we face what they happen. I see that there. People they talk of love. Okay, Bakasi talk of timing. Say women they complain. No time. Spend time. Ladies. I ask myself one question. They're going to start. Prove to me you are a man. 2 hours. 3 hours. 4 hours. 5 hours. 2 hours. So man go just there your top for 2 hours. Flight from there to Abuja now how many hours? I just there one place, 1 hour, 2 hours, just one place. No. You know the work. Ladies, have it in mind. The men were there. Please try as much as possible to have time for your wife. It's very good. Create that time. The women, get her for mind. No rich man go get your time 100%. You know, they possible. Look the time now, almost to 2. I did the crack joke. My wife, they sleep. Don't you think she needs my time? You know, possible. Poor men, I go get your time 100%. They are jobless. If you are looking for time, look for jobless men, not people like I go die. Those ones now wait till they carry. Like that guy with the big brother when they just stand, so he only job not to bed down. Take nyash, they carry person up. Once you are poor, you gonna think of to get fit, to get fit. Once you are poor, you gonna think of to get fit. You gonna go gym, they go gym. Ladies, any man when you see they do fit, that is a sign of poverty. Imagine her. No rich man for this world gets this pack. Dangote gets this pack. Michael Denuga gets this pack. Femi Otedola gets this pack. Agoda gets this pack. Come on. Six pack is, ladies, six pack can never put food on your table. Forget it. Somebody go just poor, go just. What do you think they do? Sign of poverty. Once you are poor, that just the sign be that. The ladies, work hard. Put your effort in relationship. All I'm trying to say is that the men, no matter your busy time, have time, little time for your wife. Spend time, because poor men, you cannot compete with them. Poor men not getting, they are jobless. They get 100% time. They get time anyhow. They can sing, they can dance. They can't do anything. They are very caring, poor people, very caring. Then they go message anyhow, you know. Big man not gonna do like that. All of a sudden they shout 2 minutes man, 3 minutes man, 4 minutes man. Big men. Now there be 10 minutes man. Just 2 minutes. Okay, they lie. Poor man, no, poor man fit build us for door. You know they told. Poor man at the daybreak, you know they tire. All his strength now. Why? No style, no go give you. Go, bang you anyhow. Why? Go lift you up anyhow. Why? Poverty. Now you just imagine as Adenuga just there, my Adenuga you're there. You go call them wine. No, nah. No, just imagine that Adenuga go call Bengal like this. It's not possible. The only thing when big man they do go just call the guys. Oh baby, come on, play with my nipples. Poor man, every part now they play with. Even Lego, handpage everywhere. They are ever ready. Got the shot. Do this, that, do that. That's a sign of poverty. Also where? The people they talk domestic violence. People they talk relationship. Some of our celebrity marriage not the last. This one they talk this. Poverty. Man go just sit down, carry hand, knock woman. Wrong. The women put in your effort. Work in your relationship. The white one they copy. Copy they finish. If you tell Oyibo say you don't want the relationship, Oyibo don't come after your life. Now their own life they key. They don't look for you. They copy somebody, copy and where? You tell Oyibo say I don't want this relationship anymore. Oyibo go say, oh my God, you don't want this relationship? She don't kill herself. You go tell Nigerian woman. If man tell you say no, don't kill yourself, it's only pushing you to the best man. Say I don't want this relationship. The one they vex me, guess go they swear. Or Google kill you. And Yelala will kill you. They forget say all these gods where they swear to so. The gods they are high. Now they tell they give all these gods ogogoro. Now they answer swear. Now gods they drink brandy, champagne. They are high. You they swear so. Go kill him. They go lick you. Say, leave him, enjoy yourself. The one they invest in, the one guess they talk. They go say, I go die after giving you my body. Is this how you want to pay me back? Waiting me, give you. I give you firewood. Then guess go come watch on video. Watch all those on video. The critics say everything where they watch for the film are real. Never in your life. Not ever watch this movie with your wife. But then Titanic, I be Titanic. Don't try it. They'll just copy movie. What did they just see for a movie? When you both they kiss, then they play love. That now you both black here, get out with the do our own. I can't go sit down, they go watch one useless movie with my wife. Titanic. I've been at Titanic. As you just sit down, nothing pay me pass the Rose won't kill herself, just one jump. One fool, just wear suit. Just waka come. Say, Rose, if you jump, I will jump. As the guy they talk, I throw away face because me and my wife they watch, I all throw away my face. Now my wife just asks me, say, honey, can you die for me? I don't know what they do women. Why be say for relationship when they find men we go die for now? Say, can you die for me? That last say, Jesus Christ will not die for you. What you don't give up? We see they watch the film, they go. Nothing Mary said the guy called they sing for inside the thing. That guy now God go punish her. The guy they sing, as they sing, Rose they sing. The guy don't manage, take one small plank, to save himself. Now the Rose just look at Jack, the echo. Jack. He not get how the thing won't echo reach for my ear when I go try that rubbish. He say, help me with the plank, because I love you. Now the mumu can't tell and say, Rose, I'm doing this from the depth of my heart because I love you. And I know if I die, my love will live. Now the fool push plank when he don't think they save himself. Give Rose. Now the Rose stand put on top. Rose hold Jack hand. My wife, they look me through with face. Now my wife, for them, my wife don't shout, wow. This na real man. Me as a sharp worry boy, I reach away my face again. Now the Jack tell him again, say, I love you from the depth of my heart, and if I die, your love will exist. Me too. We take concern me, I throw away face again. Now my wife say, wow, this na real man. Me, I not too bear I quiet because I know say that talk on my side did they go. So me, I don't want to talk anything to avoid quarrel. Before I just say like this, the thing just they go like this. Now so the mumu they sink. Now so it just die. Wow. As they die finish, now they joke. The full Rose can write LOVE for river. Now my wife say, wow. This na real man. This Narima, the thing that they provoke me. Now I say, honey, what is that? This is Narima, this Nariman. Which one be this Nariman? This is moving. I say, don't tell me that. There are men like this who can die for their wife. I couldn't wonder, die for your wife. Say, there are men like this who can die for their wife. I say, honey, now my wife say, honey, are you telling me that you cannot die for me? Now I say, me, Francis, Ogene, Were, Agoda, I can't do that. This now moving. Then my wife say, no, there are men like that. The thing that they took cause arguments and not just talk. 3 days later, just come out. Now go find one blue film. Bye. Sharon Pulley and Sharon Wiper. As I just enter, Snacka, only come oh. She said what? I said there's a movie, Sharon Pulley. Say what is Sharon Pulley? As we just put the thing, bam! She sit down, I sit down. The man wife, Sharon Pulley, just wear pants and bra. Just waka come. Put the man trouser. Begin to wah. Now she do her friend like this. 3 of her friends just waka come. We are sit down and say, wow. This na real wife. Did they see wife like this? All this one saw my wife, they throw away face. Before I say the other 2 don't handle the guys on the give back. Wait, now shout again. I say, wow. This now real wife. Now my wife tell me, say, honey, this is movie. I say, Now wait till they tell you that time be this. I don't they notice and say, AY voice don't they lost. While they talk about say sometimes when they put up events together like this, millions of naira they enter. Imagine all the aspects of Big Brother they come and all the comedians who they perform. They rent this place almost 15 million naira. Me, I don't take I they calculate things to see whether it gets I go take pay us. But thank God I don't see say he gets some sponsor. So whether the money not day, at the end of the day, maybe small money go come. But what I try to talk, we say, you get one event when they invite us go do for Kaduna. Now so the crowd, many. In the morning, the way the guy talk to us is different from how he talk to us when the show finish. In the morning, as we land for airport, now so the guy they greet us. I go die. Oh boy, welcome. Oh, God bless you. You come. Oh, two Baba, two face. Oh boy, we may love you. Oh, the Coco Master, peace boy. Now so they greet everybody that morning. When they break, when we go to the show, if you see the crowd, this will not be crowd. Now stadium they for Kaduna. This will not be crowd. This one just crowd. That one a crowd. When the guy come in the morning, now 3 Ghana must go. Now the guy carry come with us. Because in the morning, all of us just now for outside, just they discuss how we take get our balance. Just as I did now, AY never give me balance. And I did notice say voice self, don't they go. Now make me talk this thing. As the guy just waka come in the morning, with the 3 Ghana must go. Not even the money when he carry come, not being pay me. Now the way the guy come to talk to us. I say, yourself, you all see two face. Two Baba. You try I go there. You they talk. Now we can't answer, so oh boy, what did do your voice? Now then the guy start. Say, now the show. Those crowd when you see yesterday, nobody pay. This time when we don't hear nobody pay. Everybody call look themselves. But what they give us hope, now the Ghana must go. Because we be here say governor be sponsored the event. So we just relax. Now the guy say, so when the crowd come, more put the aside. As they want push their way enter, we got the first day they shout, go back. Go back. More put the push. Go back. Go back. Now so me to the shout too. Go back. Go back. Go back. Before I look, now they push themselves. Enter the show. As they talk, 9-4 ring, 9 pick. Hello? Not be wife, not be wife. Now me they talk, I lost my voice. No worry, we go talk. This all of us look ourselves, now call phone. Now can't tell us. Now the man will borrow me money. Do this show. If they ask me, say, far. We don't today. Igbo man na Igbo man no. Now peace square and I can't shout. Now you are just shouting, go back, go back. Nobody pay. This Ghana must go. Wait till they inside. Now the guy say, okay. I be this son, I'm not going to believe. Now the ticket. The ticket, I go there line, see VVIP, see the regular, nobody buy now. This time now, all of us don't know say wahala dey. We will come out from Lagos, go Kaduna. Two-Face, very humble guy. He's ambassador of Humble. Now I just say no shaking, no shaking. Where they say no shaking with the verse, they look at him. Now Timaya shout, say, oh boy, how will they go back? People when they fly from Lagos come. Now the guy say, okay. Now let me bring bus. This bus go carry on and go back. Now that peace square cut chain. Say, what is wrong with you? We came in, we flew in all the way from Lagos. You are asking us to take a bus. Are you telling a whole peace square? A whole don't pain me. A whole peace square. To enter bus. Let me shout. Say peace square. All of us now a whole. It should be a whole peace square. Now the guy shall say, can you do this to the bench? Can you ask the bench to enter bus? No wonder the bench is not even here. Now the guy say, talk for yourself. Oh. Now yesterday night, now I explain to the bench. He don't come out this money. Oh. Now go for it, I use up. As they talk again, I phone ring. Hello? Now the bench. You don't reach. Thank God. Now the guy called phone. Say, now the bench, you don't reach up. And all of us take enter the music. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wonderful show. Oga Maju, I hail you. And Ambassador Karo, Ali Baba said you dress like Guru Maharaji. You are tired. Ali Baba don't know you. Say this is not the only man when they empower the youth. Ambassador Karo can spend fire. When they spray just now, they tell them, I say this guy never start. And they wait when you start. I hear you respect. It's not easy. All I'm saying is this. We should believe in ourselves. If a victory, now all of us victory, it shows that whatever you are coming from without push, you can become who you want to be if you believe it. Believe in yourself. If you're not a teacher, you get story. When they talk, they're born to poverty. If you hear people's story, you don't get story. Or this one where you're the shout, hey, who I be? Who I be? Now Lagos, now you feel do this. Who I be? They're going to pity you. Bo Abuja, who I be? Who I be? If you try for worry. Now worry, they know you reach us. You go just shout, who I be? They're going to remind you, Efe Ajaba. So as it is, they work for Lagos, so hang that here, not can go worry. Just they shout, poverty, the street, the this, is that. My brother, if you hear people's story, even me when stand there, if you hear my story, they not tell you say Ali Baba house, I go chop dog food. Hungry beat me, dog food called the scent, I go chop them. There they shout, who I be, who I be, who I be, who I be, who I be. You know they hear Timaya when they talk say they sell plantain. You don't hear people's story. You dey on a evil girl house. You dey shout. When I was born in one room, 12 for one room, 12. Rain they fall like this. My papa go wake us and mama go wake us. They take buckets, they bail water for inside this thing. Zinc they leak. But I told myself that I will break that yoke of poverty in my family. Now they shout who I be again or you be a fail with 25 million. No, shut up. Make I leave you there. You'll be worried boy you represent. One love. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. Respect you all.